Slow versions. Good day. Good day. Good day. Goodbye. Good bye. Goodbye. Good night. Good night. Good night. 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 Bye. Bye. Take care. Take care. Take care. Remember, because take ends with K and care starts with a C and it sounds like K, you don't say take care. You say it together. You say take care. Take care. See you. See you. See you. See you again. See you again. See you again. See you later. See you later. See you later. American people say later. The T sounds like D. However, people with the British accent say later. See you then. See you then. See you then. Farewell. 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 So long. So long. So long. Later. 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 American people say later with a D, but British people say later with a T. Have a good day. Have a good day. Have a good day. Have a good night. Have a good night. Have a good night. Talk to you later. Talk to you later. Talk to you later. Later. Sleep well. Sleep well. Sleep well. Sleep tight. Sleep tight. Sleep tight. Sweet dreams. Sweet dreams. Sweet dreams. Excellent! Now you have learned how to say goodbye in English. Don't forget to repeat and practice as many times as you need. And remember, the next video is going to be a test video, so prepare yourselves. Study well. See you. Bye.